For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, TroyStarz Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, we're basically gonna start our trip again. This is my first trip starting the New Year's, right? I was home from the 24th of December, and today is what? Today is the 6th of January. So I was home for a while, you know what I mean? Relax. I was doing some videos, trying to make sure I release a lot of videos starting the January, you know what I mean? I'm on a mission, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys are ready for the journey. So we're gonna do more of some road footage, more of the journey, and I have a big saving task coming up. So I'm gonna show you guys, or tell you guys how I'm planning on approaching that saving task, you know what I mean, and put some things in place just that I can meet like this type of, you know, the schedule that I well, how can I say this, the target that I want to make or reach. So yes guys, so this is TroyStarz Trucking, and we are picking up a load here in Quebec City, and we are heading off to Georgia. We have two drops. We have one in South Carolina and the other one in Georgia. So we're on a roll because this is 1,300 miles, yes, for full miles. So it's 1,300 miles and or 1,400 miles, I think, from this location. And hopefully I'm trying to get to a destination. Today is Wednesday, Friday, so I'm trying to get to destination on Friday afternoon, something like that, you know what I mean, and try to get a load to get back to Canada. So like I said, I will vlog as much as I can and keep you guys posted. Thanks for tuning in. TroyStarz Trucking, and we are back at it again. So I'm gonna go at the back as soon as I'm gonna close the door and show you guys what I pick up. Well, basically I pick up the flaring for the top of the Peterbilt truck. That little plastic flaring for the wind to go over. That's what this company here makes. There's no name here still really, but that's what, there's no name on the building, but that's what these company actually make. The flaring for the I was gonna say Volvo truck, but it's a this is a Packard location, but they make the, like I said, I think for the breeze to go over the truck. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. TroyStarz Trucking. And it's snowing outside, guys. Well, it's not snowing. It's just the snow is just outside. It's not snowing. So let me start, get off the door, and then go close the back. All right. Peace. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the flaring for the top of the Peterbilt. So that's it. They're on the outside, I guess. There's some flarings. Basically, like they just make flarings here or so, you know what I mean? So. Yeah, so I put the seal on the back, so I'm getting ready to go now. I'm gonna leave off, send the paperwork off to the broker, make sure they send my paperwork in so I can get across the border. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. TroyStarz Trucking. By the 8th, yeah. I make it just go on, like when you unload it, just go on, just point it and then she do the rest. Well, it's time, nothing still. Yeah, YouTube! YouTube! You know someone find my idol out the road there? Hear me, son? Kim! come out that truck. TroyStarz. What's it? Alright. Let's get out here. Come here, go back and sit over there. February. Yo, it's all there now. Listen. Yeah man. You get hours now? Hey, boss man. Yo, she got 2 gear now man. Yes, YouTube, TroyStarz. Now, I'm on my way to Georgia, and I saw Melvin. You guys already know Melvin. Melvin come to pick up a load there, and he's driving the double 900, right? With a big everlasting moose bar on there. I can tell you this: no deer, no moose play with that truck right now. But yeah, I just stopped to link up one of my idols in terms of changing gears and stuff like that, right? So you know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking, right? So respect. Thanks. YouTube, TroyStarz Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm gonna start back our vlog, our daily vlog, like, you know, normally showing the route and what the road is like, what the journey is like and all that. We're gonna get back to those. I just did a couple of videos the other day covering some topic that I need to cover, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get back to our original routine. Don't think I leave you guys out. You know, we're gonna get back to our original routine. And yes, thank you guys for tuning in. You know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking. So I'm here in Georgia picking up a load going back to Montreal, and I came here with the load, with the load from Packard. What's that load again? Clearance for the truck. Yeah, I came here with that. So now I have empty cans going back to Montreal, so I will show you guys those when I get there. But this is like the journey. I'm gonna show some road footage. Hopefully my dash cam give me the footage of that I'm looking for. And also I have a mission. I'm on a mission because I want to do some savings, because I have to make back my funds, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do some savings, guys, so stick around. Hopefully you guys can save along with me too. Or my method that I'm gonna use to help to, you know, make back or to save some money up. You guys can follow that routine or that method, and then we're gonna see where we're gonna get to by certain times, right? So let's get into it together. I'm gonna tell you the method that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna kind of break down how I'm planning on doing this savings. It's gonna be a type of sacrifice saving, so watch out to see how it's done. And you can do the sacrifice saving with anything you're doing, like any amount of money. It can be like you want to save $100, right? So I'm gonna tell you why it becomes sacrifice, right? I'm gonna tell you how you can maybe save more than what you think you can. So let's get to that in this, well, furthermore in this video we're gonna explain it, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, thank you guys again. Can't say thank you enough, because I see the support. And I also want to give a big respect to SoFlo TV. You guys can go and check it out. I'm gonna leave his link down in the description. SoFlo TV, that guy like represent my channel like in his morning vlogs. And I don't know, because I never actually talked to this guy before, but he watched my channel and he love what's going on, and he, you know, keep on recommending my channel on his channel, and I'm extremely grateful and thankful, you know what I mean, that someone can, you know, see the work that's going on and feel the interest to put it out to his audience. And he have over 250,000 or something thousand subscribers, you know what I mean? And you can go ahead and take a look at his morning show, because I would like you guys to go over there and say TroyStarz send you, because that's what he did. Every time someone come and subscribe, they say SoFlo TV send you. So I want you guys to go over there and be like, TroyStarz send me, you know what I mean? I want to show about the respect. I don't know, you know, you guys know me already. When someone really take it from, you know, just do something out of their goodwill, I recognize it always. But anyway, we're gonna take the journey on. I'm here in Georgia. How much days is it? I think it's 3 days to get home, or to get in. We're talking about home, to get in. So thank you guys once again. TroyStarz Trucking. I'm here in Pennsylvania on the 81. I take the exits. What is it? Exit what? Exit something something. I'm at a truck stop here, just chilling. Going to leave out in a minute. So I just came around here just to talk to you guys. Remember, we are on a mission, right? And I'm on my way from Georgia. So I'm on my way from Georgia. I stopped at a truck stop last night. I did a whole lot of driving, right? And I stopped at a truck stop and getting ready now to go. So I have 433 miles leave to get to destination, right? So I'm gonna pre-trip. All right, I'm currently pre-tripping, so I just decided to take my camera out and talk to you guys. So I'm currently pre-tripping. So as soon as I finish pre-trip, I'm gonna take on the journey. So as you can see, that the highway, that's the highway behind me on the 81. Well, no, that's not the 81. That's the, I think this highway is, this highway take it to the 81. You know what, let's say it's the 81, because I turn off to come to this truck stop. So yeah, so I'm gonna take the 81 and finish my journey. I'm crossing at Landstar, that's Thousand Islands. That highway take me all the way from Georgia. I go on the 75 and off the 75 to 81. So that will take me all the way to into Canada. Okay, this route is just a $6 toll. So $6 for the toll on this route. So, and it's a good drive. It's a 2.5 day worth of driving. So that's what I'm doing. Well, it can be quicker if you decide to settle down and go all in. But when you have time on a delivery date, you use it wisely and make sure you get there on time, right? I'm getting it back inside my truck now, because I'm gonna go to the restroom. Right? I'm gonna go to the restroom. Brush my teeth, stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, get ready, and start my journey. Maybe I stop just for once and then finish the rest. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. It's about TroyStarz Trucking, and yeah.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.